Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make quick egg fry full guide. Heat a non-stick pan over medium-high heat, add 1 tablespoon oil, crack eggs, season with salt and pepper, cook until whites set and yolks reach desired doneness, then plate and serve hot with toast. For creamier yolks, lower heat and cover for 1 minute. Try adding chopped herbs, cheese, or a dash of hot sauce for extra flavor. Use fresh eggs, oil or butter, salt, and pepper as core ingredients, and keep extras minimal for quick cooking. If desired, add chopped onions, tomatoes, or bell peppers for texture and sweetness. To keep eggs fluffy, whisk lightly before cooking and avoid overmixing. Preheat the pan so eggs start setting immediately for a fast, consistent fry. Use a non-stick pan for easier flipping and less oil. Season at the end. Preheat the pan and choose medium-high heat for a fast sear without burning, then add oil or butter. Crack eggs directly into the pan, cook undisturbed for set whites, then reduce heat or cover briefly for desired yolk doneness. Finish with salt and pepper, optional herbs or cheese, and slide onto a warm plate so you can enjoy a quick, satisfying meal in minutes. Pair with toast or salad for a balanced bite.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.